you're looking for unlimited Japanese teppanyaki in Manila with steaks, sushi, sashimi, seafoods, ramen, and many more, you should try and visit this in MOA. This is the Tepanya. This is located at the SM by the Bay alongside Seaside Boulevard, but meron din silang other branches in SM North at Las Piñas. Kahilera lang ito ng location ng MOA ay. We availed the Dinner Unlimited Madness for 2,188 pesos plus service charges. Ito rin pala ang kanilang menu, screenshot nyo na lang and zoom to check their foods. Nag-walk-in lang kami rito, we asked for a table and naghintay lang kami bago matapos yung mga nakasalang na customer sa loob. Galing kasi kami sa oath-taking ceremony ng girlfriend ko sa PACC, so we planned to dine here after the event. Once you enter, the staffs will greet you with a signature Irashay set and will escort you to your tables. The ambience of their resto is very elegant and cozy na para ka talagang dinala sa Japan. Plus, mababait and very accommodating pa ang mga staffs dito. At this time, nakuha na nila ang aming mga initial orders. By the way, pwede rin pala kayo mag-a la carte order lang dito ha. Just ask for the staffs na kumukuha ng mga orders. And now, it's cooking time. Ang una naming in-order ay spicy tuna roll, fried volcano roll, dalawang sashimi platter, and of course, our favorite salmon sashimi na quality talaga ang lasa. Hindi rin mawawala sa mga ganitong setup ang egg tricks na ginagawa nila to entertain their customers. Oops, medyo failed lang si chef. Nakabawi naman siya sa mga kasunod niyang throw. They will also let the customers try this. And here's my girlfriend showing her inner chef mode. Talagang sinuotan pa siya ng chef's hat.
Okay, mamatapang pa po eh. Alam mo yung gagawin mo, no? Pagkahagis po nila, gagawin na po yung spatula ka lang dito sa mama. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oops, medyo failed lang din. And here's her second try. Panoorin natin.
One more po. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ayaw pa rin talaga. Bawi na lang next life be. Next na sinaserve dito is yung beef sukiyaki cut na in-order ng kasama naming family dito sa table. Dito na ito lulutuin, ipiplating at isiserve sa inyo. I recommend na itry nyo rin itong baked scallops nila. Sa sobrang sarap, hindi na nga namin nagawang videohan eh. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa steaks nila. We ordered the Angus Kaiju rump steak, Brazilian rib eye, and New Zealand rib eye. Steaks are already cooked. Resting na lang ito, kaya nangaaliw na lang dito si chef. Sinisiso niya na lang din ito ng salt and pepper lang para mas ma-appreciate namin yung quality ng meat. Here's my girlfriend Maisa with her mom na nag-treat sa amin dito sa Tepanya. Hi po! And being a teppanyaki chef requires equal parts of performance level and culinary mastership. Kaya ito ang chef namin performing with his spatula and meat fork. Aliw lang din talaga tong si chef. And finally, here's our Angus steak, cooked medium rare na super fatty dahil sa abundant marbling ng meat. This is also juicy and very tender. And isang plate muna ulit ng salmon sashimi. Next order namin ay itong tiger prawns. I suggest na i-order nyo rin next time ang lobster tails nila. Wala lang available during this time na kumain kami.
I love you dapat yan mo.
Of course, hindi natin palalampasin ang kanilang desserts. We ordered their bestseller na banana flambe and mango crepe Suzette. Ni-request ko na lang din dito na 2 scoops of ice cream ang ilagay dahil sobrang nagustuhan namin ang vanilla ice cream nila. May pahabol pa. Birthday celebration din pala ngayon ang kasama namin dito sa table. Kaya nagkantahan ng greetings dito ang mga staff in queue sa paapoy ni chef. hindi pa ubos ang foods namin ay na-request na namin ng bill. Nakalagay lang naman dyan ang list ng lahat ng orders namin together with the 10% service charge. After kumain ay nag-picture-picture lang din muna kami sa place and nag-pack up na. And that's our Tepanya experience. Thank you for watching.